Welcome back, dear students. How you all? Hope you all are fine. Okay, dear students, today we are going to discuss about the nitrogen cycle. You know, dear students, nitrogen cycle is nothing but the nitrogen cycle is a process by which nitrogen is converted between its various chemical forms. That means of inorganic substance to organic form as well as organic substance to inorganic form. What is meant by organic and inorganic? You know, organic forms, which of the substance contain the carbon composition, those are all of the organic forms. So most of the living organisms, these organisms contain the carbon composition. So they are definitely organic composition. Non-living substances, so which are the outside the body, so there is no carbon at all. Those kind of substances are the inorganic substances. Okay, let us discuss. This transformation can be carried out through both biological and physical process. Okay, the nitrogen process or nitrogen cycle process takes place in the both biological as well as a physical process. You know, dear students, we have a 78% of nitrogen present in our atmosphere. You know, already gaseous percentages in our atmosphere. Oxygen is at 21%, carbon dioxide 0.03%. Likewise, nitrogen percentage is 78 in our atmosphere. But one of the condition is plants, they are going to utilize the nitrogen, but they are unable to utilize the atmospheric nitrogen. They are going to utilize the which of the nitrogen present in the soil. That kind of nitrogen only useful to the plants. But the 78% of nitrogen are present in the atmosphere, it is not useful to the plants. Okay, let's discuss. Yeah, forms of nitrogen. So nitrogen exists in the different forms. Those forms are the, first, see this. One is a ammonium NH4. Ammonium is different. NH3 is ammonia. NH4 is ammonium. Okay. Same. As well as nitrate. Nitrate different. Nitrite, NO2. Nitrate, NO3. Remember these formulas also. Nitrous oxide, N2O. Nitric oxide, NO. So these are formulas you already know in the chemistry. Simply remember these. Okay, these are all the organic forms. Okay, what is the inorganic form? Simply nitrogen gas, N2. So you know diatomic molecule, that is why it is exists, N2. But the remaining, so ammonium, mostly some kind of animal waste materials also formation of ammonium. So ammonium, nitrite, nitrate, nitrous oxide, nitric oxide, these are all are the organic formations of nitrogen. Nitrogen gas is a inorganic form of nitrogen. You know, atmospheric nitrogen, that is organic or inorganic? Definitely inorganic. Understand? Right. See this. The nitrogen cycle consists of the following steps. Actually, here we have a different steps of the nitrogen cycle. Those are the nitrogen fixation, nitrogen assimilation, ammonification, nitrification, and denitrification. These are the 5 steps. I'm repeating: nitrogen fixation, nitrogen assimilation, ammonification, nitrification, and denitrification. So these are the 5 steps. So we'll discuss one by one. Okay, first one is the nitrogen fixation. So to fix the atmospheric nitrogen to the soil. Actually, atmospheric nitrogen is useless to the plant. Plants are unable to utilize the atmospheric nitrogen. So we need to, actually the nitrogen is converted into the useful manner. How it is? Fix the nitrogen from the atmosphere. The conversion of free nitrogen of atmosphere into the biologically acceptable form are the nitrogenous compounds. So how it is possible? Some kind of organisms like a Rhizobium bacterium. You know already Rhizobium bacterium, we already learned in the previous classes. Rhizobium bacterium is helpful for to fix the atmospheric nitrogen. And we already learned about the rhizobium in the symbiosis process. You know symbiosis. Both organisms here helpful. Okay. So there are the following ways to convert the nitrogen into the more chemical reactions also. So mostly they are biological nitrogen fixation. So physiochemical nitrogen fixation, industrial nitrogen fixation, different ways. So generally we have an idea the nitrogen fixation with the help of the rhizobium bacterium. Okay, legume plant. Okay, this is rhizobium fixation. Yeah, some symbiotic bacteria, blue-green algae, and some free-living bacteria are able to fix the nitrogen as a organic nitrogen. You know, the symbiotic bacteria is a rhizobium. Symbiotic blue-green algae. So it is a species of nastak. Nastak is also a type of a grass substance, anabina, etc. These are all of the algae, blue-green algae, green color substances only. And free-living bacteria. These are all the bacterium, Azotobacter, Clostridium monas, and Dexia. Next, Rhodospirillum. These are all of the some of the organisms. Example for the free-living bacteria. These are all are organisms. Okay, bacteria, blue-green algae. These are all of the responsible for the to fix the atmospheric nitrogen. Next step is nitrogen assimilation. In the process of assimilation, inorganic nitrogen in the form of nitrates, nitrites, and ammonia. Nitrates, nitrites, and ammonia. You already know the formulas also. Is absorbed by the green plants. So, you know, through their roots, plants are absorbing the nitrogen, right? Through the roots. So, through the mineral substances, including the water, it will be absorbed to the roots. And then they converted into the nitrogenous organic compounds. Then only it is converted into the organic compounds. When the nitrogen is entered to the plant body, that is organic components of nitrogen. Okay, nitrates are first converted into the ammonia. Actually, here organic compounds only. These nitrates are first converted into the ammonia. And next, which combines with organic acid to form amino acid. Amino acid. So these are the amino acids are the simple units for the proteins. Amino acids are the simple subunits of proteins. A group of amino acids to form the protein. Like that, when which are they combined with the organic acids to form the amino acid. Here amino acids are used to the in the synthesis of proteins. That means of making of protein, right? Protein. Not only that, enzymes, chlorophyll, nucleic acid, etc. So these are all are the for formation. They require the amino acid. They are getting from the a particular mechanism, right? You know the nitrogen present in our DNA also. Remember this point. That is organic composition. Okay. Our next step is ammonification. Ammonification. Remember these names. Ammonia, ammonification. Right? It is the process of releasing ammonia. The process of releasing ammonia by certain microorganisms. Here also, involvement of microorganisms. utilizing organic compounds, okay, derived from the dead organic remains of plants and animals and excreta. Some of the excretion materials of the animals, like a cow dung materials, okay, some of the cattle dung materials. These are the excretory products, right? Simply releasing of ammonia. So by certain microorganisms, that is ammonification. So the microorganisms especially involved in the ammonification, those are the actinomycetes and the bacillus. Some of the bacilli, those are the Bacillus rhamnosus, Bacillus vulgaris, and Bacillus mesenterilis. These are the organisms for the ammonification. And next one is the nitrification. Nitrification. Nitrification is the process of enzymatic oxidation. Enzymatic oxidation, that means of involvement of some enzymes. Enzymatic oxidation of ammonia to the nitrate by certain microorganisms in the soil and the ocean. So ocean, I mentioned, ocean, not only ocean or seas, etc. Different organisms present in the ocean and the seas. So generally soil, microorganisms are also present, and this is also starting point of plants development. Most of the microorganisms present in the soil as well as ocean, water also, aquatic microorganisms, right? Nitrosomonas, ammonia to nitrate, nitrobacter, oxidation of the nitrates into the nitrates. These are nitrate converted into the nitrate. So this is nitrification. Denitrification. Already nitrification process takes place. This is the denitrification. Here another kind of microorganism involved here, that is the denitrifying bacteria converted to the form of atmospheric nitrogen. Which are the nitrogen present in the soil, that is again converting into the atmospheric nitrogen. That is the denitrification. Denitrification is a reduction of nitrates back into the largely inert nitrogen gas. So again, these nitrogen gas again released to the atmosphere. That is the denitrification process. For this process, denitrifying bacteria will be helpful. So some of the denitrifying bacteria are, okay, Thiobacillus denitrified. Next, Micrococcus denitrificant. Next, Pseudomonas aerogeneus. So denitrificant, these also. So simple reaction they given like a before also. It is nitrate formation, and again nitrate, nitrogen monoxide, nitrous oxide, and nitrogen gas. Right? This is a equation mode. So this is a cyclic process. First of all, atmospheric nitrogen. Atmospheric nitrogen. See this? This is the atmospheric nitrogen. This atmospheric nitrogen is converting into the, okay, this is a nitrogen fixation process. In the process of nitrogen fixation, the nitrogen is converted into the organic formation. So like a ammonia, right? Later, so different kinds of decomposers also involved here through the plants, and plants to organic matters, some of the animals also, animal dung materials, etc. It will be going to expel into the soil. Some of the microorganisms decompose that kind of materials, even plant dead bodies or animal dead bodies will be decomposed into the soil with the help of the decomposers. Saprophytic in nature, not only like a fungus. These are decomposed in soil, and again it is converting into the ammonia. So same process. And these ammonia again converting into the nitrites. Nitrites to, this is nitrification process. And next one is these nitrates are converting into the nitrates are converting into the nitrates. After the nitrates, with the help of the denitrifying bacteria, it is again releasing into the atmosphere. And some other situations also. So industries and the factories are given. So with the, in this kind of process, these are which are the nitrogenous states again converting into the ammonia formation, organic substances, some kind of waste materials from the industries. It is also transported through the water, and water too, it is again entered to the soil or ocean also, whatever. Again converting into the ammonia. Same cyclic process. It is continuously a cyclic process. Understand? So this is about the nitrogen cycle. Right? Right. Let us discuss one by one again, dear students. Today, our topic is nitrogen cycle. Nitrogen cycle, atmospheric nitrogen. First of all, it is converting into the soil and again soil to normal nitrogen formation. The following steps: nitrogen fixation, nitrogen assimilation, ammonification, nitrification, and denitrification. These are the steps involved in the nitrogen cycle. Understand? Thank you, dear students.